Why aren't more people talking about starting their day with positivity? It's a game changer. Good morning, beautiful souls. Every day is a fresh start, a new opportunity to embrace life. Sure, life's not perfect, but that's okay. Take a deep breath and release any worries. Remember, it's the simple moments that bring the most joy. Whether it's a sunrise, a smile, or a kind word, cherish it. Life's journey can be challenging, but each step is filled with hope and promise. Trust the process, let go of the stress, and let your heart lead the way. You are stronger than you think and more capable than you know. So, let's face today with hope, love, and positivity. You've got this. End your day knowing you gave it your best. Smile, breathe, and be grateful for this beautiful journey.
Hi guys, we'll begin tomorrow, so tayo ay mag-exfoliate sa ating skin. So, para maging tayo yung skin natin, exfoliate natin. So first of all, gamitin natin ng retinol wipes. Retinol wipes na tayo. Tapos lagyan natin yung ginawa kong panglinis ng mukha. Hindi kasi soba. Ginawa ko rin siya. So, ito yung rice, ano rin siya? Rice flour, toothpaste, honey, lemon, squeeze lemon. So, iskrap mo sa mukha until hindi mo ko rin. Hindi mo rin. Iskrap mo sa mukha until ipabsorb ko rin. Ay, ko natin. Kasi it's very natural. Natural naman talaga ipagawa ko siya. So, sulit natin. Medyo natin ito. Ito siya. Kaya natin aloe vera. Kaya natin para mag-iayos. Wala siya tayo. Hindi siya absorb skin. Almost up to the bin. Meron kang kampo. Kabila. Yun na siya, so we had ice cubes. So, kaya masarap feeling. Meron ng ice cream na kamo. Rosy cheeks. So, yung mga definition. Yung meron sa sabon. Ice cubes. Mawala yung dito. Ah, feels so hard. Right, forehead. Hanggang kaya mo. Oh my god, it's so good. Pwede naman ako. Just wait.